Hello there, welcome to Learning English is Fun with Teacher Fidelis. I am here yet again to have a new lesson, and I hope that you have been watching all the videos that I have posted. We have been looking at one set book, and that is Fathers of Nations. You're right. And today we shall have a new lesson based off grammar. We look at words. We use words to communicate. And we have different types of words. And the first type of words that we shall look at today is a noun. Do you know what a noun is? Let's start with a simple exercise. Look around you. What can you see? Can you name the item that you can see? Is it a person that you can see? What is the name of this person? When you want to talk about that item, about that person, you use a noun. Therefore, we say that a noun is a naming word. We have different types of nouns, starting with proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, concrete nouns, and abstract nouns. You might be wondering, what are all these? Well, we shall look at each and every type and we shall give examples. Now, we started by saying have an exercise around you, check what you can see. If you have a pen, if you have a book around you, write it. Write at least 5 items. Well, I can start. Let me name the things around me. A hand, a dress, a microphone, hair, eyes, Teacher Fidelis. Those are 5 items. How are you feeling today? That feeling, happiness, I want to believe that you're happy. That is a noun, okay? When you have many items together, if you're in class, if you're watching this in school, what can you see around you? Can you see furniture? Furniture is a word that talks about different things that have the same characteristics. That is a collective noun. Let's start with the first type, and this is a proper noun. We use a proper noun to name places and people. If you look at your friend, what is his name? What is her name? That is a proper noun. When you write a proper noun, you're supposed to start that name with a capital letter. My name is Teacher Fidelis. Fidelis starts with a capital F. What is your name? Just write your name in the comment section. And remember, as you write your name, because your name is a proper noun, you are supposed to start with a, well, capital letter. Names of cities. What is your favorite city? London, Nairobi, Kisumu, any other city in the world. You can name the city, start the name of the city using a capital letter. The name of a mountain, Mount Everest. The name of a country, that is a proper noun. You start with a capital letter. Kenya, Cameroon, India, Singapore. Start with a capital letter. The name of an ocean, the name of a lake. As long as you're having these proper nouns, you start your word with a capital letter. Then we have common nouns. What do we call common nouns? If I say address, that is a common noun. When you're writing a common noun, don't write using a capital letter. No, in your book, write 10 examples of common nouns. I can give a few: a ball, a cup, a glass, flowers, dresses. How many are those? I think 6. We can give another one: a pen, a book, a stool, a bed, a chair, grass. There are so many things that you can name. Those are common nouns. Now, when you talk about common nouns, we get 2 other categories, and those 2 other categories, we have abstract nouns These are nouns that you can talk about, but you can't touch. Then we have concrete nouns. For concrete nouns, you can touch them. So when you talk about the common nouns, you can again have two other categories, concrete and abstract. The feelings, the ideas, use abstract nouns. If you can touch something, that becomes a common noun, but it's concrete because you can touch it. And finally, we have the collective nouns. For the collective nouns, these are names given to groups of items, a group of people, a group of animals, etc. Now, I will talk about three examples, or I will mention three items, like three nouns, and then tell me which word, which collective noun do you use to classify this group of items. If you have many bees, B-E-E-S, many bees together, which name do you give? Which noun, which collective noun do you give? Do you know it? I'm waiting for you to tell me. It's a swarm of bees. If you have many people together in maybe going for a football match, you have these people together. What do you call them? Giving you 1, 2, 3. You call them a crowd of people. If you still have many people, but in church, what do you call these people? This is write it down, a congregation. Now tell me, if you go fishing and you see many fishes, what do you call that? Write it down. Now, an assignment for you today, look at 10 examples of collective nouns and write them down. And in the next lesson, we shall look at another different group of words, and these will be verbs. In the meantime, be thinking about verbs. What is a verb? What is a verb? Yes, and make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the videos and get to learn something new. As usual, learning English is fun with Teacher Fidelis. Look around you and learn a new English word. Until next time, it's a goodbye from your favorite teacher.